a booking, so we're going to go for a scoot on our scooters. You excited? I'm excited for it to open, but we're going to have some fun riding our scooters before it's opened. So we'll see you guys on our scooters. Hope you enjoy.
It gets really cold, it gets nice and protected.
I'm freezing.
I think they must, maybe they blow some snow or something in there too. It looks like a bit of a snow globe. You see that really had a big sack, didn't you?
Like a Hi guys, right now we're at the National Library of Australia. We're just going to stop off at the library for a quick little snack, and my dad needs to drink his coffee. So, and we might come here back after our big adventure today.
Might come back a little bit later, hey?
We just finished our little snack, and now we are going to, in about 10 minutes.
Yep, time for Questacon. Give it a push. We're looking at how to get through the atmosphere without getting too hot. Someone's trying to get the pizza, so not Peter. Let's see, pointing to that one now, the moon. Star, I'm going to try and protect the Earth from asteroids and shoot them down. Summer shot down a satellite accidentally. Summer's in space, she's floating. Oh, she's floating in space. Skinny daddy. Pudgy daddy. Brush your teeth float to work. You have to get them to work, do you? Oh, because they're floating around, there's no gravity up there. Yeah, pop it on. Yeah. Oh, yay! Go, Summer! You gotta get it! Looked like you're in there. Kilos. We're drawing a picture, isn't it? you need to build our roofs out of. You can only hear it where you're standing, can't you? I can't hear yours. All the way down the way. Yes. Cool, Sienna. What are we going to feel?
What it feels like to be in an earthquake.
What it feels like to be in an earthquake. Excited?
Yeah.
Yes?
I've never been in an earthquake.
Let's go for the large one now.
Hold on, darling.
What level do we need to stay in?
What do you think? 5? 5 and a 6.
Alright, we're going to do 2 experiments before you go. If you want to know what it's like to be a building during an earthquake, stand on one leg and put your hands on your shoulders.
Stand on one leg.
Hands on your shoulders.
Legs on your shoulders.
One leg, hand on your shoulders.
Summer's doing a good job.
Wow, you're just like a building.
That's hard, isn't it?
Silva, and we just went and visited the earthquake, and it was really shaky.
We got 5
Yeah, that was very, very cool earthquake. Ah.
Got much less vinegar. Did you see that?
Fast forwarding, okay. It's working too well. Good job. Right, where are we going to? Minicube. Ready?
We're under the moon.
Under the moon. Look at the size of that bad boy. Oh, girls. Where'd it go? That's super quick. Isn't it just
Sienna, get you behind there. Sienna, you're going to sit on here for me. This girl on the bar, little boy go there. I'm going to hold your back here. You try and drop the edge. You drop down into a hang. You ready to go? Right on off the edge for me. That's it. We're getting totally 3, 2, 1, drop.
astronaut ice cream, isn't it? We'll try some astronaut ice cream. Alright, let's see. Yummy?
It tastes weird. Tastes the same. So it's just hard. It's powdery, but once it's in your mouth, it just melts.
Astronaut ice cream.
It tastes exactly like normal ice cream. It's not cold.
Chocolate asteroids. Let's see if they taste like chocolate asteroids. I don't know if they'll blow us away and knock us down.
No.
Alright. Alright. Every first go. Yours.
Chocolate? Chocolate. Oh, it actually tastes like chocolate.
Does it now? I thought it would taste like a chocolate asteroid.
It does.
Yummy?
It's like M&M's.
What, M&M's?
Exactly like M&M's. Enjoyed our video today. There's going to be a part 2 of the same day, same video, sort of. And it's just going to take too long because we have a lot of stuff and we need to fit it into a different part because it'll just be like an hour-long video.
Yeah, so we're probably going to make 2 episodes out of this one, aren't we? Because Questacon was amazing and it took ages. So we'll do that one, hey?
Yeah. Join us on the rest of the day. See you next Sunday. See you, mate. Or tomorrow.